Today, good afternoon children. Today we will do how to draw pie chart or the circle chart by central angle. Right? So, for this, first of all, we will draw a circle of any radius. We will draw a circle of any radius. Right? Now I am taking one example for this. Suppose the question is like this: Pat's number of houses. Number of houses. So, pets given: cat, dog, rabbit, fish and pigs. Then for this, frequency is 6, 8, 3, 4, 3. First of all, we will do the total of all these. This is 24. Now we will find the central angle. How to find the central angle? What you will do, first number is 6. You divide 6 by the total number and multiply by 360 degree. That is the measure of complete angle. Is it right? Now we will cut this 1 upon 4. This will be cancelled. So we will get 90 degree. So our angle is 90 degree. Now 8 divided by 24 into 360, 1, 3 and then cancel it, you will get 120 degree. So our central angle is 120 degree. Now same here, 3 divided by 24 into 360, that is 1, 8 and 45. So angle is 45 degree. Now we have 4 divided by 24 into 360, 1 upon 6. This will cut, we will get 60. So this is 60 degree. The last one is left, 3 upon 24 into 360, that is 1 and 8 and this will be cancelled, that is 45 degree. Now we have the central angle. I will do the total of these central angles. It should be 360 degree. 90 and 90, 180, 360 degree. It means our calculation is right. The sum of central angles should be 360 degree. Now how to show these angles in the pie chart? What I will do, I will draw a circle. I will take a center of the circle and draw one radius. And this will be the baseline. And now with the use of protractor, I will draw the first angle. You will keep the center point of the protractor on the center of the circle. Center point of the protractor on the center of the circle. Right? Now you see here, 0 is down. We will use the inner scale and find where is 90 degree. 90 is here. So I mark the point here and I join this center to the point at 90 degree. Right? So this angle is 90 degree. Now the next angle 120 degree. The baseline. Now we will make the baseline this. Now we will take this radius. This is the baseline. And we see 0 is down. And if 0 down, see the inner scale. And you see 120 is here. You keep it properly. This is the baseline. It should be. So 120 degree is here according to inner scale. So mark the point and draw 120 degree. Right? Now our baseline is this. New baseline. So the next angle we have 45 degree. You see here is 0. We use the inner scale. this is 40, this is 50, and in the center of this 40 and 50 is 45. I mark the point and I join the center of the circle with this point. So this angle is 45 degree. Is it clear? Now this will be the baseline. This will be the baseline. Next angle is 60 degree. 0 is down. See the inner scale. According to inner scale, 60 is here. So you will mark the point here. Join the center to the point. This is your 60 degree. Right? Now last is left. Whatever is left, that is the left angle 45 degree. Every angle we have mentioned here, you see 90 degree, then 120 degree, then 45 degree, then 60 degree, then 45 degree. Now 90 degree is showing the number of cats. So you will write here cat and you color this with different color. Shade this with different color, or you can make designs with different colors like this. Not only the shading, you can make the designs. In this you make this design, circle circle. You can use red color, yellow color, green color, orange color, purple color, whatever you like, you use and make the design like this, and it will differentiate cats from others. Now dog is 120 degree. You can use this design for this. Any design you can make with different color. If you have used red color here, here you can use green color. Here you can use green color. Right? So you can make this design. You can make this design. So you use different color, make any design. You are best designer than me. So you make any design to show this category of dogs. Right? Now the next angle is, next is 45 degree. Rabbits. Rabbits, you can make this design with different color. Use blue color to show this, or any color of your choice. Next are fishes. Any other design you can choose. So here fish, here was rabbit, and last one, the design you simply shade with different color. Here you can use orange, here you can use parrot shade, and here you will write pigs. This is your pie chart. In this way you will draw. I hope now it is clear to all, and I have given some questions in the assignment that you do in your winter vacations. Thank you and have a nice day.